Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. RAMASAMY, Assistant Professor of Physics, Department, National College. Today, I am going to discuss about acoustics of buildings. Acoustics of buildings. First of all, we have to know what do you mean by acoustics. Acoustics is a term used to describe the production and transmission of sound with special reference to our sense of hearing. So acoustics is derived from a Greek word. Acoustics means science of sound. Acoustics is a branch of physics which deals with production, propagation, perception and analysis of sound with special reference to our sense of hearing. So, W.C. Sabine, he was professor of physics, Harvard University. Harvard University. In 1911, he was the first man scientifically tackled the problem to provide best audible effect inside a hall or building. So, there are different types of acoustics, electroacoustics, music acoustics, but architectural acoustics is very important. Architectural acoustics is very important one. You can see in engineering, one of the branches, architectural engineering, acoustics is one paper there because mainly deals with the planning, construction of building. First of all, you have to know the basic definition of two terms. One is reverberation, another one is reverberation time. Reverberation and reverberation time. So, what is reverberation? The prolongation or persistence of sound even when the sound source has stopped to emit sound is known as reverberation. So, in another word, we can also define reverberation is nothing but gradual dying out of sound. Gradual dying out of sound. The next one is what is reverberation time? It is defined as the time interval between the production of sound and its ultimate inaudibility, that is known as the reverberation time. So, both reverberation and reverberation time is very important. But actually, for reverberation time, W.C. Sabine defined a formula T is equal to 0.167 V by A. So, capital T denotes reverberation time which is measured in seconds. V is the volume of the hall or auditorium. Hall means music hall, you can take, it is measured in meter cube. And A is the total absorption. Suppose you construct an auditorium or hall. Here we are having three variables T, V, A. We cannot change T. We cannot change the volume of the hall. But in order to provide best audible effect, we can change the variable only A, that is total absorption. Total, so we can change only the absorption. So, in a music hall or auditorium, the reverberation time for speech is 1 to 2 seconds, whereas for music is 2 to 2.5 seconds. So, in an auditorium, the reverberation time should have an optimum value. It could not be neither too large nor too small. If it is small, loudness is inadequate, that means not sufficient. If it is too large, then there will be the overlapping of successive sound. It should have an optimum value. That optimum value of reverberation is nothing but it should satisfactory both to the speaker and audience. That value of reverberation is known as the optimum reverberation time. So, there are different factors in architectural acoustics. So, there are some various factors I can mention. First one is reverberation time. Second one is adequate loudness. Third one is focusing effect. And fourth one is echoes. Fifth one is Egelian effect. Another one is sixth one, resonance effect. Then seventh one is extraneous noise. So out of these effects, all these factors will have a remedy. So if we discuss every factor, it will take a long time, but I will take only one factor for discussion. Remaining we will discuss in the next class. Namely, important factor is one, extraneous noise, because that extraneous noise is classified into three: airborne, structure, another one is inside. So airborne noise is nothing but noise entering the hall from outside is known as airborne noise. This can be minimized by allotting proper places for doors and windows, decorating the walls by pictures and maps, covering the floor with carpet, making the ceiling slow. Then structure-borne noise, that noise comes from the vibration of the structure of the building. This can also be minimized. The third one is very important, inside noise. The machinery like typewriters, etc., they should be placed on absorbent pads. What is absorbent pad? It will have a tendency to absorb this out. So these are the three more noises, but generally I can say in a hall or auditorium, anything, the audience is a perfect absorber. If a music hall or auditorium is entirely filled with audience, then if you conduct a seminar or any talk music, the audible effect will be satisfactory both to the speaker and audience. Thank you. We will continue in the next one. Thank you.